Okay, so we're gonna go over, I did an unboxing on these Undandys. I bought two pair, they were 15s, that's referring to the last that they use. I said I said they were British design or something ridiculous. They're full on Portugal. Undandy is its own thing. Apologize, sorry Undandy, I said that. I have a Cad and Dandy suit from Savile Row. I just automatically assume Undandy. Oh, that sounds British. That's why I said that. So apologies. Anyway, quick video. And I keep seeing people asking Undandy on their Undandy site, how do they feel? What do they look like? What's the wear? How do they hold up? So that's why I want to do a quick video on. I don't have my black 15s here, my caches, but I have my brown ones. These I've taken care of. The other ones I beat the crap out of them just to see what would happen. I'm in the mortuary business, so we're always at funerals, walking around in the fields, dirt, mud, grass, dampness, dryness, mountain terrain. We go all over the place, and we're always on our feet. These shoes have held up so well. I am so impressed with Undandy that I'm giving them 10 stars. All this time, I bought these November 2018. The heels, and I'm gonna put some pictures up for you guys. The heels, I do a heel strike on the outside, and then I supinate, right? The heel has held up so well. It's unbelievable. All the stitching on the shoe has held up really well. This little bolts right here, I put a shoe tree in them, stretches them out. Then I polish them, clean them up. You know, I used heel dressing. I wish I wouldn't have, because the heels on them are fine. But I haven't, on purpose, waxed or shoe treed these in 2 days since, what's today, Wednesday? Since it's been Monday, just to show you the crease. When you bend your foot, it's perfect. They both broke in perfect. So when the shoe's on, it looks really good. See that little thing here? I nicked that on a sprinkler in the cemetery. So the heels on both of them wore perfectly. The bottom of the shoe, I mean, that Blake stitching, look, all intact. Okay, I've tried to wear these down. So far, so good. I may have to get a new heel. Right now, I'm getting a lot of wears. I had this put on. It's an option because we do walk in dirt and mud, and it's been really good. I've got no pulling right here. I always pull shoes out right here. I'm sure you do too. That's a lot of stress right there. Nothing, no pull-outs. I've probably worn these about 100 times, and I'm telling you, I'm hard on my shoes. This is how it would look on the other one if I hadn't have scraped it on a sprinkler. Everything's holding up really well. The feel, this shoe is now formed to my foot, feels really good. All the stitching is intact, and I'm telling you, I beat them up. I am hard on shoes. My black ones, I wish I had them, but I don't. They look exactly like this. But I didn't use a shoe tree, and I polished them with crappy kiwi wax. These, I used Saphir, I don't know, it's the middle one, and it's not the most expensive one, but the middle one. Shoe polish. So these just held up really well. I'm really proud. I love Undandys. They make a really good shoe, good quality. The stitching, the feel, the fit, the wear. I'm getting a lot of wears out of these. I did not even, if they would have held up half as well, I would have been impressed. But if I could plug you in and show you what I've done to these shoes, you would be amazed. So let me tell you, if you're an office queen and you sit at your desk all day, don't spend $800 or $1,200 on a pair of bespoke shoes. Try a pair of Undandys. They are amazing. If you're a salesman and you're on your feet a lot, comfortable, hard wearing, They sound good. When I'm on a funeral service, I'm in a church or chapel somewhere, and I'm walking. They have the nicest sound with that dovetail heel like that. They have this nice gentlemanly sound instead of that clicking like you get on cheap shoe where it sounds like that. These have a real nice deep. Oh, I can't say enough about them. I love them. I'm gonna get a couple more pair, but I keep seeing people on Undandy's site asking, how do they fit? How do they feel? How do they wear? They fit perfect. They wear perfect. They're quality leather. They take a amazing shine. They feel good. They make you feel good. They sound good. They look good. Buy some Undandys. I recommend them now. I was happy when I got them. I have an unboxing video. You can see me unboxing. I used a darker brown on these because the color that they came in, I wanted to get a little darker patina. These shoes are amazing. Just buy some if you're unsure or you're wondering. Just buy a pair. Start off with a $199 for Cashes, or buy the 48 toe. They make a 48 the last. Sorry, I don't know all of their terminologies, but great shoe. All right, that's all I wanted to say. Hopefully this helps you out, helps you make a decision. I'll put some pictures up at the end so you kind of just get some close-ups and see what they look like kind of all over. So, all right, if you want to leave a comment or have a question, leave it down in the comment section. I'll answer it as quick as possible. Thanks for watching. One more quick thing I just wanted to point out too. If you are buying a pair of dress shoes for the first time and you need to take care of them, you need to polish them correctly, you need to use a proper polish. In the video I said Saphir shoe polish. No, it's Saphir shoe cream. I saw a video of a review on Undandy's and he bought some Bordeaux's. I think they were monk straps, and he said that they discolored where there was a crease. Yes, darker shoes where they crease, they're gonna discolor a little bit. So you need to polish them correctly with shoe cream that soaks into that leather and colors them so they're the same. Your shoes are gonna do that. So to say, oh, they discolored here, yes, all shoes will. All leather does. Wherever leather stretches, it's gonna lighten. So you have to have shoe cream and you have to put it on there, and then it changes back to the color, then you polish it, and then after a while, it just kind of stays that way. All shoes are gonna do that. But you have to have a shoe tree. When you wear the shoes, you have to put the shoe tree in. That keeps them straight and tight and good. And then you have to polish them properly as well. I just wanted to add that because like I said, I didn't take care of them, but I did. So one I didn't, one I did. The one I took care of looks, yes, it looks better than the other one. So that was just something I wanted to add. How you take care of your shoes. If you're just a guy buying a pair of dress shoes because you want to put them in your closet, you still got to take care of them. So, because if you don't, then ultimately, yeah, they won't look good. So, and that's with any shoe. You could buy $10,000 shoes if there's such a thing. So anyway, thanks. Bye.